welcome back, Dane. Today I'm going to teach you the basic operations of a self-leveling laser, which is a level, which is used for, it's an invisible line laser product that can builders use on the building site to create levels from one side of the building to the other. There's a few safety issues here. We have some pipe work there. I want you to be aware of that all the time. Sorry, I can't move that in restricted space, so this is what we're using. Evacuation points down there.
Should I stand in a better
Yeah,
spot?
come and stand over here. Try not to
Okay.
go near that, mate. This is tripod, what the laser sits on. You just gently get that, pull it out of the back of the ute, sit it, so it's basically sturdy. And we're coming over here. This is the basic TopCon laser level. Have a look at this. Always be very gentle with this. Knocks and that will put it out and knock it out of level. Okay, so we open the case. Here is the laser. Being very gentle. There's a screw on the bottom of it, see? And we have this screw here. This is quite radical technology that's been out for a few years. So doing this up clockwise, righty tighty, putting it on that. Because this is a self-leveling laser, it is, as soon as we turn that on, we'll find its own perfect level.
Okay.
Okay, that's that. Over here, we have the receiver. So what's generally happening, this is spinning, throwing a beam of light on a horizontal position up to 200 metres. So what happens, this hits that beam of light and tells exactly where this is in relation to height. Then we go on to a staff. So I'll just turn this on quickly. Hold the button, the green one, the on button, for a few seconds. Now that's going to find its level. While we're doing that, we'll wait for that to start spinning.
So that's
Following
perfectly
its flow.
levelling itself now.
Yes, I
By
think so.
itself.
Yes, it is. So it'll start finding, spinning, waiting, and we're off. Now that's shooting a beam of light. It's not harmful beam,
Okay.
but it's advised to I set it up to that height, never at eye level. Just so
Never at eye level.
No,
Should you wear any kind of
not really. It's just
glasses
advised
in
not to
case?
set it up at that level. Okay, so turning the receiver on, green button. Now here's a pencil that we sharpened earlier. So what I'm establishing to do here, we're going to call this point there, point A. And that's beeping, because the laser's picking up on it. So what I want to do, I want to shoot that level over to there. This is traditional spirit level, won't reach.
Yep.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the bottom of the staff. Put it there, on the side.
Right.
And I want to find a different mark. Excuse me for a second, please. We'll put a mark here. I want to transfer mark A over to the other wall. So we'll find the bottom of the staff, this being the staff, is on the bottom of the mark. So therefore I just slide the receiver down. Hopefully that's got the height. Would you mind holding that staff there for a second? This is the top of the staff. That's the staff. Now see, it's got an arrow pointing down. Now that there, this point here, we'll put a mark on that there, is the line of the laser.
So that's lining up with the laser now.
That is lined up with the laser.
That centre line there.
That is the laser. That is the level point. This being the point that we want to level across,
Right.
this can be adjusted to any position to find that level.
Okay.
This is the date and the time level, which is this point here. So therefore, I can
Okay.
take that anywhere in the building and transfer that line to there.
Okay.
Give you within a millimetre. I can put that mark there, or over here, put in that mark.
So that receiver just then had little symbols of,
That's telling you to go up and down.
yeah. So
So
that's,
it's
you're too
got-
low.
Yep,
or- sorry.
spot on. Wants to come up,
You need to go up.
and when it flatlines, you're
You're
spot
there.
on. With it,
But
you
if you're too high,
you go
it'll
down.
give you a little
Yeah.
symbol.
It's
in
telling you what to
opposite
do.
direction. It's saying go down.
It's telling you what to do.
And also, I need to have this level, this bubble here.
No, it's nothing to do with that. We're working with this.
Right,
This
so
is
we're
just
just
purely
using
a
this as
start.
a prop.
This could use a bit of timber.
Okay, so
You-
you could use anything
Use anything. Yeah.
as long as it can hold on to
Yeah.
that.
You want to have a go at setting the thing up and finding a level. I'd like to
Okay.
just try and shoot a level from one side to the other. I'll turn this off. Okay, put it in spots. I'm starting from scratch.
Okay, so in a usual workplace scenario, you wouldn't have this set up
No,
already, would you?
no,
As
you
well.
can set that up.
So, is there anything?
There's no tricks. It can be
There's no tricks.
just unfold it.
Okay.
Generally, it's in the dirt. That's why it's got these spikes in the bottom of it.
How far should you unfold the legs? Do they just
Something so it's a stable position.
so it's stable?
Yep.
And it doesn't matter about that being on an angle. So I'm
No, you
looking
want
at-
to try and get. That's why it's round on the top.
Yep.
To try and you can basically find straight up and down.
So, but if I had that like that, does that matter?
Doesn't really. That's why it's round on the top.
Okay. It looks better like that.
It does. You go with a general judgment there. But
Okay. And so there's nothing else I need to secure.
No, that's- it's ready to go.
Over.
ready to go.
Okay.
Just being aware that it's a very sensitive machine and don't knock it around.
And so I'm holding it via these two handles.
Yep.
Okay, it's not that heavy. Now the next step was to place it on
Always
there
hanging onto it with one hand.
and then securing it underneath here. Like so.
Might have to put in
Till I
evacuation.
can't keep going.
Yep.
So that's secure.
That's right. Very good.
Okay.
That. You've done well. Now finding the green button, turn it on, and then because it's a self-leveling laser, it'll level itself.
Looks like we might have to put in one of the evacuation procedures. There's a fire coming.
Oh, is there?
I
Yeah,
think
they-
it's
they do
okay.
that.
Still got enough time
I
to
think
finish
it's
the
just
course,
next door.
and then we'll run.
Okay, so green on.
Yep.
Just one press.
One press.
Stand back.
Yep. You don't have to stand back. You can hear it. The mechanism trying to level itself. Can you hear that?
Yeah.
But you know, it does take some time depending. That's on.
Okay, so as
Okay.
soon as it starts spinning, it's done that.
Yeah. So I want you to find this line here. We'll set the put the line together. Grab the
okay.
receiver.
So this is known as the receiver, and what's this known as? The head or
laser.
something?
The
Oh,
laser.
just the laser. Now do I have to turn this on?
Not until we set up the height. We'll get it on to the. I'll hold this to where the bottom of the datum point. We'll call this a datum point A. Yeah. So I want to transfer that one.
Alright, so I'm securing this. Turn it,
Oh yeah, turn
turn it on first.
Yep.
And then off.
Oh, you just turned it off. Sorry. Just turned it off.
So securing.
Not securing yet. You've got to adjust this, remember? And you're in the line of the laser, so the laser won't go through your body.
So if I come around this side.
Yep.
So we're trying to get. That's good, isn't it?
I think we just failed.
Okay, it's still operating. So
That's what you're doing.
I'm
Looking for that beep. You're trying to find.
okay. It says to go up. Oh, there it was. There?
Yep.
Now I secure on.
The more you do this, that you can do it as a one. So I'm just helping you out today. Yep. You're happy there?
Okay, and so
You've found your level.
it's very loud, isn't it?
We can turn that off.
Okay. So now I'm going to draw a line.
You've
Is
already
that-
got the line there.
I've got the line. Okay.
Which you can now transfer that level to anywhere in the building. Go for a walk and have a fun.
So that's secure.
Yep. I hope so.
Quite a big staff, isn't it?
Yeah, we don't muck
Need to
around here
watch.
at CG Constructions.
Okay. So I need to remember. I don't want to block that off. Will it matter if the staff kind of?
No, it's fine.
Oh, I hear a beep. Up. Oh, too far.
Yep. Very sensitive. It works within about a millimetre.
So now I've got the line
Yep.
present. So what I should be able to do then is draw a line underneath here,
Yep,
like so.
that's correct.
Remove the staff. Now I have a line here that is going to be the same height as that line.
Yep.
And level.
And level.
Great.
You've done well for a first timer.
Thank you, Andrew.
Do you have any questions, Dave?
No.
This will get easier the more you set it up.
Yes.
Then you get. There's a lot more things you can do with this machine,
No doubt.
but we'll look at that in the future.
Great. Okay. Thank
Thanks,
you.
mate.